Alright, today I will be reviewing the Comfort Air conditioner. Hey, do not underestimate the size of this air conditioner. It blows out air very well. It cools the entire house. Now as we zoom in here, you will see that I have this air conditioner set at 65 degrees. We have the Energy Saver option. Right now it is set to cool. You can put it on auto, have it on cool. And the only drawback I have of this air conditioner is the cord. The cord is pretty short, so make sure that wherever you're going to set this air conditioner at, it is near an outlet, unless you have an extension cable. So there you have it. Nice air conditioner. I'm getting pretty cold underneath this air conditioner. It's great for the summer. I have no complaints.